Hi everyone, I'm Prajakta. At Mastek, in last 43 years, we have had varieties of CEOs at the leadership running the organization. We have had promoters, we have had professional CEOs, but this time around, there is a big change. We have an entrepreneurial CEO who comes from an entity which was acquired by Mastek. I'm talking about Umang Nahata, our CEO who comes with an entrepreneurial background. Hi Umang,
Hi, PT.
how are you?
I'm doing very well.
All right, so this is our first fireside chat.
Yes.
There's so much to catch up with you.
Yeah.
Not just about the serious stuff, but also to know how does it feel to be the CEO of a company who acquired your company once?
It's a question that I get asked often, right? First of all, I'm extremely humbled with the experience that Mastek, at least the openness that the promoters and the board had of considering. It's a company that is close to my heart. I know most of the people. I know its DNA really well in terms of what we can and cannot do and what is the potential that we can really achieve. And I'm super excited to be able to use this. It's more like I would say, second innings as a CEO again, to deliver some phenomenal outcomes. Use my time at Mastek really well and make it most memorable for Mastekiers, for myself, for everybody around.
So, a little bit about your vision. Where do you want to take all of us?
I would want Mastek to be a company that delivers the best ROI to its customers, be it whatever technology that we use. One key message that we have to really focus on is going to be ROI, return on investment. For our customers specifically, everything that we do has to be honest in terms of, does it really deliver an ROI for our customers? Is the technology delivering the business value that it deserves? On the same lens, I think known for delivering value and business outcome.
What are the key milestones you're most excited about, Umang?
Yeah, it's an interesting journey that we are on. See, and I'll take that question from an AI lens today. The technology wave that we are in, the first thing that we are seeing, which is happening here and now, is everything that we did can be done with far, far more velocity, far more faster than what we had ever imagined. And I think that's the first milestone that I'm seeing, us being able to do our work, be it implementations, be it application development, be it managed services, testing, and everything around it, delivering that in a much faster scale and much better quality is amazing. It's very exciting. PT, you might remember, right, in terms of as the web got developed, everything which was brick and mortar eventually became online, and we can hardly even imagine without living in an online world today. I think we are in that exact similar kind of era where it'll be hard to imagine businesses without AI agents or AI in and around doing all of it, and humans working with agents very collaboratively. And that change of business, when businesses start having AI-led revenue, AI-led business streams, AI working efficiently with them, be it agentic or be it something else in the future, that's the next wave of excitement that I'm really looking forward to when AI touches. It's in the POC stage. We're doing a lot of proof of concept, small projects here and there. As it becomes more enterprise grade is where I would, that's what I'm really looking forward to.
So, what are the measures we at Mastek are taking to make sure that our AI feat is completely ethical and customers can close their eyes and trust us for that?
At Mastek, there are multiple things that we are looking at. We've had AI governance committee that looks at everything that we do on AI internally within the productivity areas, as well as whatever work we're doing with our customers. Data privacy for our customers is a big thing. And many of our customers, that's one scare that they have, and we are really cognizant of that fact and trying to make sure that everything that we do on AI takes care of the customer's data privacy and make sure that the data is within the boundaries of where they want it to be. And the third and the real most important purpose is trying to keep the human in the loop. Eventually, the AI or the technology is to serve mankind here. And therefore, delivering it for the right purposes, delivering it with human in the loop in terms of decision making, in terms of outcomes is really important.
Let's change the track. We've been talking about technology, we've been talking about consumers using AI, etc. Let's look at the businesses. Let's look at how the sectors are adopting, and more so, what are the sectoral priorities for Mastek you want to call out?
Yeah. if you just step back and look at where we are and where we've always been, uh, Mastek currently is very different from most of the other IT services companies in the market today. Our business is much more geographically widespread. We have a sizable portion of our business in UK and Europe. We of course have North America, which is growing and is an important focus area for us. And we even have very strong presence in Middle East and APAC. I think in today's times, with the kind of geopolitical environment that we are all in, being geographically diverse is extremely important. And we will continue to look at that geographical diversity as an important area. While we want to grow our businesses in US and continue to grow our business in UK and Europe, I think staying geographically diverse is one important aspect for Mastek. From a vertical point of view, I think public sector is one of the other specialities of Mastek that makes us very unique. The next really important vertical for us is healthcare. It's an area that we're really passionate about. We're working with a lot of variety of healthcare organizations, from the public health organizations in UK and Europe, NHS specifically, to some of the very prominent healthcare organizations, both payers and providers in US, to some of the large life sciences organizations across Europe and US and Middle East, and some of the national healthcare initiatives both in Middle East as well as in Australia. If we can deliver the right ROI to healthcare, it's not just going to impact the healthcare, it's also going to impact human lives of all of us. And that's the mission, right? It's trying to deliver that ROI which gives back to the society. Not just from Mastek point of view. If you just step back, even if you look at most of the promoters and founders of Mastek, a lot of giving back is also happening to healthcare. Beyond the two key focus verticals, manufacturing, retail, and financial services are also equally important, and we're seeing really good traction there too.
I'm just trying to summarize what I heard from you.
Yeah.
So you always say that I'm proud to be a Mastek here. We are solutions people. May it be technology, may it be an app dev or implementing a solution, we are best at it. We know how to build the solutions. We are relationship people. We'll never leave you high and dry. We'll deliver the value and then we'll stay with you to make sure that your growth is sustainable. And we are responsible and humane. Now let's shift gears to branding and marketing. Lead with AI.
Yeah.
How did this happen? What was the story? How did the evolution happen?
See, PD, I mean, the current markets, if you see AI, it's a phenomenal change, right? It's something that has really made the playing field very level for all IT services or even all IT organizations. It's like everything is now, everybody's at equal spaces. And that's a great opportunity for companies like us who really want to, instead of growing organically, move much more faster and inorganically. And I would say it's a tailor-made opportunity for us. That's what we looked at in terms of the opportunity. That's how we see the opportunity today. Which would also mean that we will have to really take charge and lead our business with it. We will have to be proactive. We will have to lead the market, make some bold decisions, create some innovative solutions, be the first at adopting it internally amongst everything that we do, and demonstrating that success back to our clients, also offering the value back to our clients. Like I said, also creating an ROI model around it is really important. And therefore, I think it's very, very organic and natural for us to look at the focus around AI and say, okay, for us to really grow and deliver to the vision that we have, lead with AI is the way and the path for us. Lead with AI is the way to go.
Absolutely. And including me, every Mastek here is proud to lead with AI. Thank you, Umang. As usual, it was amazing having this chat with you. This time, the difference is, it's a fireside chat wherein a lot of people within Mastek, outside Mastek, will hear your vision, will know what kind of leadership you bring to the table, and the kind of band of Mastekers you will take forward with you.
Yeah, no, thank you, PD. Thank you for having me and organizing this chat. Like you said, we are getting into a new generation, a new era. It's our chance to really go out and express ourselves. Take some bold steps, and I'm sure we'll deliver some phenomenal outcomes.